Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to check iMessage history in 2025. With Apple's ongoing updates, checking your messages has become even more seamless, whether you're reminiscing about old chats or searching for important info. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to check your iMessage history? It's perfect for finding forgotten details, like a restaurant recommendation from a friend or an old password hint. Plus, in 2025, iOS features like advanced search and AI-powered summaries make it faster than ever. To get started, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Step 1. Open the Messages app. It's that blue icon with a speech bubble, can't miss it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your conversations. Tap on the one you want to review. Now, for Step 2. Scroll through the chat history. iMessage keeps messages indefinitely as long as you have storage space, but if you're dealing with really old ones, they might be archived. Here's a pro tip for 2025. Use the new search bar at the top. Type in keywords, and you'll get instant results, thanks to Apple's enhanced AI. If you can't find what you need, head to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud, greater than Manage Storage. There, you can restore from backups if messages were deleted accidentally. One more thing. Always keep an eye on your privacy. In 2025, Apple has beefed up end-to-end encryption, so your history stays secure. If you want to export a conversation, go to the Share button and select Export as PDF, super handy for records. And that's it, you've now mastered checking your iMessage history. It's quick, straightforward, and a game changer for staying organized. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below with your favorite iPhone hack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.